Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word chemicals. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientists conducted experiments with various chemicals to develop a new type of drug. Chemicals refer to substances with specific composition and properties that are used in various industries, research, and daily life for their effects and reactions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.